Oi, mate! Today, we're gonna do a volcano because I found it. We're gonna make one. Instead, I love being a pirate voice, so I'm gonna do the whole video. Am I? We're gonna do this volcano thing. Like, you have to, well, this is with National Geographic, so you have to get it from Amazon, like, search up Volcano National Geographic, I think. You get this thing, and then, you get like these other stuff, and then you have to like put the stuff here until it makes like a round thing like this, and then we have to make the powder now. Pour the entire contents of volcano plaster bag into a large disposable container. Set aside at 1 cup of 250 ml, I don't know what ml means, but okay, of water into another disposable container. You put all of it. The chair is 8, 9, 16. And it's been 1 minute after it said 16.
There you go, you got it. So now you're gonna pour the plaster inside the mold. Okay?
Okay.
Let's do it.
I'm a counting expert.
Maybe we need some help.
What's in here? We're back! Already 5 minutes has passed. Now, what are we gonna do? We're gonna need to take it off.
Yeah. Really?
Ah!
Just try to hold on. Let's remove it from here.
Whew!
Okay, I think it's better now. Okay, remove the mold.
I am in a coughing spree.
There you go. So this is the mold that we put it together,
Okay.
rubber band attached, and then now we have the volcano base. So
Oh, that was cool.
wow, very nice.
So
You
now,
can use the steering stick to remove all these, you know, the extra surfaces here. You see? Gotta make it.
yep. Ah,
So you want.
it's working now.
Needs
Guys,
more
look what we
coloring.
did so far. Yeah, that looks like lava, right?
Okay, all done with painting. We're gonna leave it like set for about a day or two to get it dry.
Bye guys, see you in 2 days. Alright, we're back. And now this volcano is drier. Come on. The paint's not gonna get off. First, we cut this, and then you just like sodium bicarbonate, citric acid. You put first the carbon blah blah blah, in like a cup thing. So you put it. I'm gonna put all of it in there. Okay. Oh, back up, cause you need an adult to help you, because this is really you can't eat this, and you have to stay away from it and not smell it because it's toxic. Now eruption powder B, citric acid. It looks like salt, but it's not actually salt. Yeah! You mix it. Okay. When it gets all like purple pinky, I guess it's done. You pour this into the volcano. Oh.
Just 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon. Nope, when back up, this is gonna explode. Oh! 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 Nice!
The floor is lava.
Boom! The floor is lava! That looks so cool. We put more water. So it can explode more. Whoa. Whoa. It's so bubbly. Bubbly, bubbly, bub. Bubbly, bubbly, bub. Ah, run away from the lava. And then put the water.
Put a little bit more, yeah. Slowly, slow.
That's so cool. I never knew that it was gonna be like that. Yeah, this was a volcano. I think you guys saw the crystal video. If you want to check that out. Next, subscribe and hit that like button and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another video. Now, bye.